invest in building good relationships. Tama, friendship. Ito, napaka-ano to. Itong wala kang puhunan dito. Ang puhunan mo, laway. Ang puhunan mo, PR. Ano yung PR? Public relation. Ang puhunan mo dito, connection. Ang puhunan mo dito, networking. So, in other words, yung connect with people, be friendly with people. In order for you to really be good in terms of building relationship, no? Building good relationship, ang dapat iisipin po natin, hindi yung ano yung makukuha mo sa tao. Dapat iisipin mo parati, paano ako makakatulong sa tao? How can I help these people? How can I add value to these people? Ito yung good news. Ito yung natutunan ko kay Ginoong Zig Ziglar for years na talagang I've been applying. Just help enough other people to get what they want and you will also get what you want in life. Tulungan mo na makuha nila kung anong gusto nila and in time, makukuha mo rin yung gusto mo. Huwag kalimutan! Pero ito lang po, babala. How can you build this? Gaano katagal ang building period nito? Many years or a lifetime. Many years or a lifetime. Pero ito lang po babala. Asawa po ng babalo. In terms of building po relationship, okay, building relationship, kailangan po, tatandaan po natin, relationship is more important than the transaction. Kung talagang pagpipiliin, relasyon o pera, piliin mo, relasyon. Kasi ang relasyon, ay nako, hindi kayang bilhin ng pera. Huwag kalimutan!